thunderstorm over Otisco, or 14 miles south of Syracuse, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.